Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer files from your phone to your computer without using the cable. Just one requirement: make sure that your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone. So the first thing you need to do is, on your phone you need to download the application called Wi-Fi. Let me show you there. It's a Wi-Fi FTP server. I see there. You need to download this application here, Wi-Fi FTP server. You need to install it in your phone. So install. That's it, installing. And once it's been installed, hit on and open it. So you open it and then start. You need to give the permission to access the storage on your device, so allow. Okay, so now server URL, remember this one here. So on your computer now, go ahead and open this PC, or you can do the start as well from the start button. So double click, that's it, open. So once you are here, double right click and then add network location. That's it there. So welcome to add the so next, press next and then choose a custom network location. Next, and then in this internet network address you need to type this link here, FTP. Hold on to zoom. FTP. So FTP. So once you have typed in the same URL as in your phone, mine is as it is there, it's the same one, and then hit on next. Username, that's fine. Log on anonymously, okay. Next, name whatever you want, and then next, and then finish. Now you'll see, a second, now you'll see this icon is here, so double click. So once we are here, you can drag the file to the desktop, for example, and here now this file now here is being transferred to the computer. Okay YouTube, so thanks for watching and see you in the next one.